Apollo KnowHow is a secure, web-based and cloud-based data management tool. It has customizable dashboards for clear and easy reporting of your data. As you can see here, it uses friendly operation. You simply click and it will bring you down into a further menu, and simply point and click to retain more information. You have quick and easy access to all historical findings, including photos, videos, drawings, etc. As you can see here, within 3 clicks from the main dashboard, you are now brought down to a photo that was taken offshore. You can save these within each line indent or however you wish to define them. Just as easily, you can click down into a customizable risk matrix for clear and easy to understand status of your assets, however you define them, and just like before, you are brought down within a few clicks to the real detail. It's quick and easy to review and assess anomalies. As you can see here, in real time, it takes seconds to add and save your comments. KnowHow can save any type of equipment or asset or facility, or more generally, can be used as a database of pretty much any nature. Everything is totally customizable by you, therefore you can store any type of equipment related data, and it can be deployed on any type of asset. Apollo have strong partnerships with other vendors and interface with third-party solutions, including multiple visualization tools to enable you to see your asset in 3D.